What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Imani and this is my YouTube channel, and today I'm excited. I am going to be talking about a different social media platform today. I'm not going to be talking about Instagram, I'm not going to be talking about Facebook, but I will be talking about Pinterest and 3 reasons why you should use Pinterest to help grow your brand or business. So if you're interested in wondering how is that even possible, grab a pen and paper and we'll get right into it. About my new favorite social media platform, which is Pinterest, okay? I used to use Pinterest as just inspo related things. I would go on there if I'm planning something, or if I'm doing a photo shoot, or just to get inspiration. Now I use it as a business tool, okay? And I have seen growth already. The first reason why you should use Pinterest to help grow your brand is because it'll help grow your audience. So I refer to Pinterest as a visual search engine and a social media all in one. Pinterest has millions and millions and millions of monthly users, okay? And usually, when you think about it, if you go search something on Google, a lot of the times, Pinterest is going to be one of the top results. So users have the option to follow you, to comment on your pin, and when I say pin, your pin is the content that you're sharing. So if it's a video, if it's an image, that's a pin. So users can follow you, they can comment on your pin, they can save a pin to their board, they can share your pin, and the most important is they can click on the link associated to the pin. And another important thing to remember with Pinterest is Pinterest extends the shelf life of your content. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, your content, like, it has a little bit of time, maybe a few days before it becomes like lost. Pinterest, it gets refreshed, it gets repurposed. You can months and years where your content is still being pinned. You can repurpose content that you've used on your other social platforms, or even on other e-commerce platforms, on your website, on your store. It's a great way to repurpose your content. Trust me, I've seen it done. I do it. It's amazing. The second reason why you should be on Pinterest and why you should make sure your brand and business is on Pinterest is because it drives traffic back to whatever website you want to highlight. The way pins are set up is you have an image or a video. You have to connect a website, a link to that pin. So you can literally link whatever you want to link it to. You can link it to your website, you can link it to your Instagram, you can link it to your blog. I link it to my YouTube. So if I put out a new YouTube video, I'll create a little graphic or a little picture. When people click on it, when people see it on Pinterest, they'll click on it and it'll bring it back to my YouTube video, and then boom, I get more views on my YouTube video. So whatever you want to share, or whatever you want to highlight, or whatever you want to bring more traffic to, you create a pin, share it to Pinterest, make sure you include the link, and boom, goes into the Pinterest world, and I'm sure you're gonna have an increase in traffic. Another thing to note with Pinterest, there's no such thing as posting too much on Pinterest. Now, you post 100 times on Instagram in one day, somebody is bound to unfollow you, okay? You post 100 times on Pinterest, that's good. You're gonna pop up more. Being consistent and posting a lot on Pinterest is very important. Post as much as you want on Pinterest, okay? I've seen somebody, I was reading some article and somebody said they try and post about 500 times in a week on Pinterest. Okay, so post, pin, all of the above when it comes to Pinterest. Just don't do it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. We don't want to see all of that. And like I said, your pin is your image, your video, whatever, whether you're home decor, whether you're apparel, if you're travel, if you're DIY, if you are in a fitness, pretty much any industry can use Pinterest. And the last reason why you should really be on Pinterest and why your brand should really be on Pinterest is because it increases sales. Let me say that again. It increases sales. Everybody loves sales. Everybody wants more sales. They want to increase their sales. They want to, especially because the way 2020 is set up, ooh, child. You want to make sure you are increasing your sales. So, I'm going to give you guys a statistic that I read. 83% of people that use Pinterest in the United States have made a purchase based on a pin that they've seen on a brand's page. They make it easy for brands to sell their products. You have a tab within your profile that says shop, and you're able to upload your entire catalog or whatever you want to upload to said shop. And people can literally shop your items within the app, within the platform. So yeah, so you grow your audience, drive traffic, increase sales. And another thing to note is it's also good to use user-generated content on Pinterest, because people that are on Pinterest, they're coming on there to mainly receive inspo, to mainly receive inspiration. And some people on there to shop, to pre-plan, whatever their intentions are. If someone is on there looking for a certain item, or looking for items, or looking for whatever, and they see somebody in a certain outfit or using something that they've been eyeing, they're more than likely going to purchase it. It's important to use user-generated content, and I've said that in the previous video, and I'll say it again. Use user-generated content because people like to see lifestyle. They like to see how it's going to look on them, how it could potentially look on them. And of course, the only way to really benefit from all of this is if you have a business profile. It's pretty simple to set up a business profile, honestly. And when you set up a business profile, you'll be able to receive certain analytics and very useful information. And like I said, before I was using Pinterest just to like have fun and using it for inspo. Now I use it for business purposes. I recently learned how much of a missed opportunity it was that I wasn't using it, and now I'm like addicted. I'm definitely team Pinterest now. I'm definitely team Pinterest business, and I hope you are. I hope you guys become team Pinterest and decide to use Pinterest because it's helpful. How many times have I said Pinterest in this video? Like, what in the world? I'll definitely be doing more videos on my channel about the platform. Especially I have a couple coming up about how to create a strong Pinterest profile to increase your presence on the platform. And I'm doing another one on understanding Pinterest analytics. So if you're interested in learning more about the app and you want to check out these videos, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my social media related videos. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This one was a quick one, but I had to get it out because Team Pinterest all the way. And as always, make sure you follow me on all social media platforms, including Pinterest, at It's Imani Murray. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.